Welcome back to the channel CAR New Model. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S, a machine that not only pushes boundaries, but smashes them. Faster, sharper, and more technologically advanced than ever before. This isn't just evolution. It's revolution wrapped up in an iconic silhouette. Let's take a look. At first glance, you instantly recognize it. It's unmistakably a Porsche 911 Turbo S. But look closer, and you'll see just how far Porsche has pushed the design. The 2027 model takes the classic 911 DNA and sharpens it with futuristic precision. The front fascia is more aggressive, featuring ultra-slim matrix LED headlights seamlessly integrated into a sculpted hood. The air intakes, larger, smarter, and fully active, adjusting in real time for optimal aerodynamics and cooling. Moving along the side profile, the signature wide-body stance looks even more muscular. Flush door handles, carbon fiber accents, and newly designed aerodynamic wheels not only enhance performance, but also give the car a clean, almost concept-like appearance. At the rear, things get even more dramatic. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, paired with an active rear wing that dynamically adjusts depending on speed and driving mode. The quad exhaust setup looks more refined, yet menacing, reminding you this is still a performance beast at heart. Every line, every curve, it's engineered for speed and presence. Step inside, and the 2027 Turbo S greets you with a perfect blend of heritage and cutting-edge tech. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, fine leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum, but now elevated with sustainable elements and customizable ambient lighting that adapts to your mood and driving style. Front and center is a fully digital curved display, replacing traditional gauges while still paying homage to the classic 5-dial layout. The infotainment system is faster, smarter, and powered by AI, learning your preferences, routes, and even driving habits. The steering wheel? Inspired by motorsport, with integrated drive mode selectors and haptic feedback controls. And yes, it's still driver-focused, but now with more comfort than ever. Heated, ventilated, and even massaging sports seats ensure that whether you're on the track or cruising the highway, you're always in control and in luxury. There's also an upgraded sound system, immersive connectivity, and over-the-air updates, keeping your 911 always ahead of the curve. Now, let's talk about what really matters. The 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S is expected to feature a heavily refined twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, possibly paired with hybrid assistance for even more power and efficiency. We're talking about 700-plus horsepower, maybe even pushing beyond that. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, likely under 2.5 seconds. Top speed? Easily north of 330 kilometers per hour. And with Porsche's legendary all-wheel drive system and lightning-fast PDK transmission, this car doesn't just go fast, it dominates every corner, every straight, every challenge. There's also speculation of an advanced torque vectoring system and adaptive suspension that reads the road in real time, delivering maximum grip and precision. In short, this isn't just a sports car. It's a technological weapon. Driving the 2027 Turbo S is expected to feel like nothing else. Instant throttle response, razor-sharp steering, and a chassis that feels alive beneath you. It's engineered to connect driver and machine in the most exhilarating way possible. Whether you're attacking corners on a mountain road or launching off the line, the Turbo S delivers a level of confidence that few cars on Earth can match. And with new driving modes, including a possible fully electric boost mode, the experience becomes even more intense. The 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S isn't just the next chapter in a legendary story. It's a bold statement about the future of performance. It respects its past, but refuses to be limited by it. Faster, smarter, and more refined than ever, this could very well be the ultimate 911 ever created. So what do you think? Is this the perfect blend of tradition and innovation? Or has Porsche taken things too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we've got more insane automotive content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.